So hi students, so in this video we are going to see about homologous series. Okay, so some of the questions have been asked in previous exams about homologous series. Okay, so after this video you should be thorough with the concept homologous series. Okay, so let us jump into that. So I'll first write the definition of homologous series, then it will become easy for you. So homologous series means, okay, so this is the definition of homologous series. A series of compounds having same functional group or same chemical properties are called homologous series. So there is homologous series of alkanes. Okay, there is alkane homologous series. There is alkene homologous series. There is also alkyne homologous series. There is also alcohol homologous series. Okay, so I'll write the series of compounds in them. Okay, I think we have already discussed about this alkane, alkene, and alkyne. Both, all these are having a general formula. Okay, so this is general formula for alkane. H2n is for alkene, CnH2n minus 2 for alkyne. So like alcohol, aldehyde, carboxylic acid, they are also having general formula. Okay, so we'll come to that. So I will write some of the compounds. Okay, so let us write CH4, C2H6, C3H8. If you are wondering how I am writing all these compounds, it's very simple. Okay, so you just put this n is equal to one number, like n equal to 1, n equal to 2, etc. Then you will get a compound. Okay, if you have doubt, you just comment below. So it's pretty simple. You can check the previous videos as well. C4H10. Okay, this is C4 H2n. 2n is what? 2 into 4, 8. 8 plus 2, 10, like that. So CnH2n, here n will only start from 2 because En means what? There is double bond, right, in that compound. If there is a double bond, then there should be at least 2 carbons, right? That is why. So the first compound is C2H4, then there is C3H6, then there is C4H8, and then there is C5H10. So here also n will start from 2, okay, because alkyne, Yne means what? Do you recall? Yne means what? There is triple bond. C triple bond it will be. Here it will be C double bond. So triple bond. So in order to form at least one triple bond, we need at least 2 carbons, right? That is why it will only start from 2. C2H2, C3H4, C4H6, C5H8. So these are the what? These are the members in the respective homologous series of alkanes, alkenes, and alkynes. Okay, so this is what homologous series means: a series of compounds having same functional group or same chemical properties. So or same, or we can also say similar chemical properties. Okay, so all these will have similar chemical properties. All these will also have similar chemical properties. So that is the point here. So I'll just highlight it. Okay, so these are the compounds. So these are the compounds here, and these are the compounds here. Okay, fine. So a series of compounds having same functional group. This double bond can be taken as a functional group. Okay, this double bond. This triple bond can be also considered as a functional group. Okay, so a series of compounds having same functional group or same chemical properties are called homologous series. Now, if I am writing for alcohol, see, alcohol is also having homologous series. The homologous series of alcohol, the first member will be CH4OH. That is the first member. Okay, it's not CH4, it's CH3OH, sorry. So that is the first member. Second member will be C2H5OH. Third member will be C3H7OH. Okay, fourth member C4H9OH. Okay, because the general formula is CnH2n plus 1 OH. That is a general formula. So this is a homologous series of alcohols. Okay, these are the members. First member, second member, third member, fourth member, like that. This group of atoms is called homologous series. Okay, so I hope I have explained it clearly. If you have doubt, you can ask me or just comment below. And another one thing that we need to study along with homologous series is the characteristics of homologous series. Okay, so we will come to that. So we will write here characteristics of homologous series. So the very first point is that each homologous series can be represented by a general formula like this. Okay, these are all general formulas for a homologous series. So what is the use of this general formula? If you have figured out, if you have find out, if we know the general formula, then we can generate n number of compounds from that particular homologous series. That is advantage. Okay, I can even write C100H202. This is an alkane. Why? Because I will easily get it from the general formula. Okay, that is advantage. So you can write all members in a homologous series can be represented by a general formula. Okay, so that is the first point. Second point, if you closely observe two consecutive members, do you see any pattern in which the compounds are generated? Please observe it. Pause this video and observe it. So I will tell you the difference between two carbon atoms is one carbon atom and two hydrogen. You may be having doubt. Just understand. So like take CH4. Add one carbon to it. Then it will become C2. Fine. Add two hydrogen to it. Two hydrogen means here. This is H4. Add two hydrogen, it will become H6. So it will become, if you add a CH2 to this, it will become C2H6. And what is C2H6? It is a second member of this group. If you add a CH2 to this one, you will get C3H8. So what is this? This is the third member. So do you get a pattern there? So the difference between two consecutive members in a homologous series is CH2. That's very good, right? It applies anywhere. You look at these two. What is the difference? The difference is CH2. Wow, that's fine, right? So if I add a CH2 to this C4H8, you will get C5H10. Okay? So the difference between two successive members in a homologous series is CH2. Okay, CH2. Also, another important point is that as the number of carbon atom increase, so here it is 2, here it is 3, here it is 4, here it is 5. As the number of carbon atom increase, the compound will become bigger, right? So when the compound becomes bigger, its melting point and boiling point will increase, because more carbon atoms between two compounds means there will be more attraction between the compounds. Okay, more attraction will lead to increased boiling point. Okay, this attractive force is called van der Waals force. Okay, van der Waals force of attraction. So that's not the you just need to understand about it, but write boiling point and melting point increase in a homologous series. Okay, that is another important point. Okay, so these three are the important characteristics of homologous series. You can also write one more point. That means we have already discussed the difference. Okay, here the difference is CH2. So what is the mass of one carbon atom? Do you recall what is the atomic mass of one carbon atom? It is 12U. Okay, don't forget. What about hydrogen? What is the atomic mass of hydrogen? It's 1U, right? So there is 2 hydrogen here. In CH2 I am referring. So there is a total mass of 14U. So that we can also write this point. The difference in mass of 2 successive members in a homologous series is 14U. That also I can write. Okay, I'll just erase this thing. Okay, that is about the boiling point and melting point, which we have discussed. So these are the 4 points, 4 important points. Okay, so just try to remember these 4 important characteristics. So this can sometimes come in the question. Okay, write the characteristics of homologous series. Okay, in that case you should be able to write these 4 points. Okay, 4 easy points. Okay, so that is all about homologous series. If you have any doubt in homologous series, you can comment below. Okay, I will reply it. Okay, so fine. So thank you.